In this video, we'll be changing the battery in a Volkswagen EOS key fob. There are two devices that look very similar and can be easily confused. The one I have here has the indicator light up in the top right-hand corner, and the other one, it is about right here in the middle on the right side. While they look almost identical, the process of opening them and changing the battery is different. So if you have the version that has this light up in the top right, whether it has 3 buttons, 4 buttons, doesn't matter. If it is the version that you see here, you can follow along with this video. And if you have the other version that has the light down here in the middle, you can go check the description. We will have a link there to take you over to our other video where we change the battery in that other version. But for this one, the process is very easy. All you'll need to get it done is one CR2032 battery, which you can get online. And there will also be a link down in the description for one of these batteries on Amazon if you are interested. So first step here, just flip out the internal key. Look over here inside this key area. We will be pushing up on this back section of plastic to remove it. So I'm just going to hold on the top part and simply push up to click off this back piece of plastic. And if that's a little bit difficult for you to do, you can take something like a large coin and insert it in there. Once again, we're holding on the top because this part will not be moving and we're snapping off the bottom. So push it down towards the bottom and just give a twist. So there we go. If you twist just right, it doesn't take that much force and it can be pretty easy to remove this piece of plastic. Now you can just set that to the side, come over here to the battery, and all you want to do is find these 2 tabs up towards the top part of the key fob. And you'll just apply a little bit of pressure right in that area and the battery will come right out for you. Now take your new CR2032 battery and make sure that the positive side is facing up. When you put it in, you'll just slide it under those 2 tabs and click down the other side, positive side up. And then you can just put the back section back on there. Make sure it is snapped down securely. And then you can just put your key back in. You can also test to make sure you did everything correctly by checking the indicator light. If this video helped you out, feel free to drop us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We'll have you covered with a video tutorial just like this one. And you can also get all of this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.